In this video, we'll learn the vocabulary for Chapter 8. The first sign is Sunday, Sunday, and then you have Monday, and these can be done in two ways. This can be with an M hand shape, turned this way, Monday, or it can be done this way, Monday. So Monday or Monday. Then with a T, Tuesday or Tuesday, Wednesday or Wednesday. Thursday can be done TH and then twisting the TH, TH, or it can be done TH, 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 or TH, Thursday, Thursday. Friday or Friday, Saturday or Saturday. Then another sign is after, afterward, or beyond. The idea is kind of from this point on, from this point forward, like starting right here and going on. So after this, forward from here, or from then on. You can also sign after, like this thing, and then after this, or the idea from then on. Afternoon, the idea of the horizon line, the sun getting lower, afternoon, afternoon. Always, always. Before or prior, going backwards. The sign day can go down. I've also seen it go up. So day or day. And then the sign all day uses a flat hand and goes forward, starting up here where the sun's up and goes all the way down to the horizon line, all day. The sign during, while, or in the meantime. During, while, or in the meantime. The sign early, like the sun's here and coming up over the ridge. It's early. You'll also see the lexical as E-A-R-L-Y, early. It was early. So early or early. Then you have the sign evening or night with the sun going down. So it can be this way or it can just start here. Evening or night. First. Can also be signed first. Future, someday, later on, or will. This can be done with a more forehand shape, turn this way. It can also be done more just with a flat hand, future. Just refers to future, someday, or later on. It's very similar to the sign will, but will starts here and goes more forward straight. I will. I will, or the future. The sign hour, like if you think of a clock and it goes all the way around. You'll also see the sign hour with twisting your hand all the way around, hour. Last, this can be used for final or the end with your pinkies. It's the last, last. This is the sign late or tardy. The sign not yet or not done is more like this. Oh, he was late. Oh, I haven't done it yet. You'll see minute here with your clock again, minute or minute. Minute or minute. The sign month. Month. That refers to 1 month. Or from here you could go once, like every month, monthly. There's also the sign for rent or for mortgage, monthly, every month, or simply 1 month, month. Morning, like the sun coming up from under the horizon, morning. sign never, never, starting across my body, similar to a question mark. Never, never. Noon, when the sun is straight up, or it can be done with noon, flicking a 12. Noon or noon. Now, this can refer to the present. It can be immediate, immediately, or current, like a current event. Now. Just one time down. Now. Often or frequent is the sign again, repeated. Again, again, again. It means often or frequently. The past or ago, formerly, previously, or used to, referring to something that's behind you. So we have before or past, ago. It can also be turned to the side. So rather than going straight back, it can be turned this way, or it can go farther back this way. Recently, like right here where the current time is, just right at it, just recently, a short time ago, or just lately. Then, time. This can also be used like for your watch, or if you're talking about a clock on the wall, time, and then use the classifier. The clock up there, or oh, clock's right there. Today, today. I've also seen now day or now day for today. Tomorrow, going forward once again. Tomorrow. Until, like from this point to this point, until. This can also be the sign to. Okay, the sign was, like referring to the past. That was what we did back then. You'll also see a WAS, like was, which is the English version of this, was, or just past was. Week, like if you think of a calendar where it has Sunday, Monday, Tuesday all across, so you're going the whole week across. So week. You'll also see next week or next week. Next week or next week. Then we have were, once again, or you'll see it initialized as well, but were or was, referring to behind you. I was, they were. The sign year, starting on top, going forward and around, and back to the same place. Year, year. And then the sign yesterday. So just as we had tomorrow going forward, we start here and we go backwards. Yesterday. Sometimes you'll also see this with a Y, but generally just with an extended A hand shape. Yesterday.